for HydroShield, and so am I, and so have you been. It's a Customer Choice Beauty Award winner for Best Serum. It won this last year and time again because it is one of the most unique formulas. It is rich and concentrated and feels so decadent on the skin. And if you need assistance with hydration, you will love this. Now look how incredibly decadent this is. It dries down matte. And then you finish and go throughout your day with whatever your routine is, but this is your serum. It is so loved here at QVC, not only as a best serum, but this is also, we've sold 2.4 million bottles. Yes. So this is how you're gonna get the set of 2. They're each 4 ounces, right? You're getting 2 bottles, and that's gonna be normally what would cost you $418. It is our biggest value of the entire show. And I would say this is probably close, depending on how much you use, a 7-month to a year supply.
A year, yes. Yeah. I would say for the until the rest of the year.
I was being a conservative when I said 7, but for me, I look at that and I got a year supply out of this.
Yeah, you do.
$149, and look at the difference, because when you address hydration, we can really tackle those fine lines and wrinkles. What are we seeing here, Doctor?
You're so right about that. Look at those lines parallel, running parallel with her eyebrow. What a difference. She was not allowed to use anything else for a month. And look at the after.
Just a serum.
Just a serum. And that's all she needed. This is truly a foundational piece for my brand. Anyone who puts it on tells me, for the first time, tells me, I have never experienced anything like this. And then from that day on, they are using HydroShield forever. I mean, virtually there's nobody who stops using HydroShield because it is so, so well loved. It's a hydrating superpower. It pumps hydration into your skin, locks in hydration, and keeps your skin plump and soft. Dry lines and wrinkles don't have a chance to survive if you use HydroShield.
We talk about the hydration
because
Dr. Denese, Harvard graduate, at the top of the class with hydration. This is, we're going honors course in hydration.
It is
with percentages like this.
There is nothing like it in the marketplace. I'm able to give you 198% measured, instrumentally measured increase in skin lipid contents, and it translates into vast changes in hydration. This is the number that makes you love this product so much. It's coming up in 1 second. Actually, this is an older number. We have 198% now. We repeated the study, but that's okay. So this is good too. 198.
It's well over 100.
Yes. I mean, the new number is 198. It doesn't matter. 184% increase in hydration in 15 minutes time, and that's an average number.
Yeah.
So that's what plumps the skin beyond your wildest imagination. Because let me tell you, you look in the mirror and you see dry lines and wrinkles, and you say to yourself, oh, I'm getting older. Well, not so much, not so fast. Many of those lines are reversible, because many of those lines are because your skin is dehydrated. It's really hard to rehydrate the skin. Many people try, few actually succeed. This is the one. Why? Because I'm giving you lipids that are virtually identical to your own skin's lipids, the lipids that your skin makes on its own. When you're 25, when you are your age, which is like 28, okay.
36.
30, whatever. You don't look 36.
Right, when you're younger, we have more hydration.
Exactly.
I mean, think about the little babies in your life, right?
Yes.
Their skin looks so juicy. As we age, less and less.
Less and less. It all has to do with the lipids that you inherently manufacture. When you're 25, you manufacture a lot. When you're 45, 55, 65, even less. So indulge, put it on twice a day. This is your pre-moisturizer. Put it on, wait about 4 or 5 minutes, completely vanishes into your skin. Why? Because the lipids are related to the lipids that are in the skin.
Sure.
So they they meet. They are like relatives. Can I show you a demo?
Yeah.
Okay. So here it is. Okay. 2 skin cells, dry, parched, more or less probably what you have right now. And now let's see what happens when HydroShield is coming. And it is bringing in 184% increase in skin hydration. And all of a sudden, your skin cell is plump. And you press and it bounces back. This one goes nowhere. You press on it, nothing bounces back. This one is like that of a young girl. So that's the difference. That's what HydroShield can give you.
Yeah, it brings that hydration back to your skin. After you've cleansed, you use your HydroShield.
Yes.
Give it a minute, it goes matte. If you want to apply other serums and things like that that you have in your routine, you can. This is a full year supply that should be $418. This is the best value in the show. And I say it's Dr. Denese 101. If you can get one thing, get HydroShield. If you could get two things, get HydroShield and my firming facial pads.
Exactly.
Right, here's my little jar. I'm pretending I have it. It is one of the best values in our show because look at what happens to the skin.
Exactly. She's using nothing else except HydroShield. It's very well-defined lines running parallel with the eyebrows on the before. On the after, they are virtually undetectable, and there is a very good reason for it. On the next picture, we see dry lines around the eyes. It's so common. Look at that. Look on the before, these cross-hatch lines going all over the place, dry, asking for help. On the after, there is plumpness to her skin. She was not allowed to use anything else except HydroShield. And in a month's time, it was, yes, about 28 days, there it is. Profound changes. And it just makes your skin so comfortable. Don't you find it?
Oh, you want to put
even
it on. Even if you're like, Allie, I'm watching because shopping with you is fun, but skincare's not my thing. Here's how it works.
Exactly, look at that. We are going to see cross-section of lines and wrinkles. Here it is. And HydroShield is coming, and it's pumping hydration into your skin, giving you this 184% increase in hydration. Look at the lines, so much less.
Wow.
So much less.
I love skincare. I have a whole cabinet full of all the things. You know, and to me, I got to use them all, right? And I've got some of my favorites, and a lot of them are Dr. Denese, which is why I gift them to my friends, right? But there are nights where I've worked a long day, I've been up since 3 a.m., I've got to take the kids to the dentist, I also have to get a kid to swim practice, right? And it's like by the time I have gotten them to bed, the last thing I want to do is have to wash my face and do this long steps, right? There are those nights. On those nights, HydroShield. Or on those mornings, I cleanse, HydroShield. Make it simple. Even our sweet planner who, helped us decide what the items were in the show today and that what we were going to be presenting, even said, she's like, I look forward. She's like, I never did skincare. She's got 2 kids. She gets tired. She goes, I actually get excited. She awaits for being able to put on her HydroShield because it feels so good. It doesn't just stop at feeling good. We're going to show you some more before and afters, but remember, best value in the entire show is right here. This is Dr. Denese Skincare 101 from a Harvard graduate, from a PhD who knows aging skin. It's $149, a full year supply. Do the easy payment. You may be thinking, Allie, I can't quite do $149 right now. I've got all those end of the year teacher gifts to get. We've got weddings to attend, right? How about $29.90 or $29.80? You do 5 easy payments? Because look at the before and afters. We're going to show you the difference that you can really see in your skin with the right serum, the Customer Choice Beauty Award serum.
Exactly.
I mean, I think here's a sense of why.
Exactly.
It won best serum.
So she kind of gave up on her skin. She sees these dry lines creeping in and she says, well, I'm getting older. Not so fast. Take a look on the after. Plumpness to her skin. All she was able to do is inundate her skin twice a day.
There's almost like a V, right on the side,
that
is so dramatically softened. Even take this down to your neck area.
Absolutely do, and hands and chest, because very significant changes on the neck either. You have really quite a few more lines and much deeper lines on the before versus the after, and that is just HydroShield. And you're right, when I'm tired at night, all I do is the pads and HydroShield and call it, and I love it. And I wake up with beautiful, plump skin.
Yeah. So whether it's the neck, like we just saw, what about the forehead? I feel like that's like an area for a lot of women. Especially if you're very expressive, you're going to notice your lines and wrinkles more on your forehead.
No question about that. And look, very well defined on the before. On the after, it's kind of, I don't even know where it is anymore. And it's HydroShield. Now, the essence, I almost forgot the most important point here. The essence of HydroShield is that we are giving you lipids that are virtually identical to your own skin's lipids. The best way to talk to your skin is to use the skin's own language. period. And this serum is the one that uses the skin's own language.
And it is so
And
good.
it's just so comforting. I can't even begin to describe.
The formula
honestly.
you've done is outstanding. I mean, it goes on like rich and concentrated and then dries matte.
Completely.
So you're wearing
matte.
your makeup, you're doing whatever
Yes.
other skincare routine you like to do, you're applying your SPF tinted day cream, which we have coming up. But if you can do one thing today, the best value is HydroShield.
Exactly.
So you're gonna get this home not $418, $149. Each bottle is over $200. It's nearly a year's supply. For under 30, you get both on an easy payment on our way out.
And look at this 100% through and through and through. How that lines appear to be dramatically better. Everyone agrees. Wrinkles appear to be dramatically smoother and softer. 100%. Participants found a reduction in roughness and dryness in every single case, and they all said that yes, the wrinkles on my neck is much better, and that is very significant, girls, because your neck shows the age
Right.
really
Grab
fast.
the HydroShield, and if you can also do the facial firming pad.